Today, I'm gonna be trying dropshipping for 24 hours to see if I can make some cash. That's why I don't throw fake money, cause it never actually goes anywhere else except on the ground, bro. But anyways, boys, on a serious note though, today I'm gonna be trying dropshipping for 24 hours. I'm not really sure what's gonna go on, but first thing first, I'm gonna start by building the store. It's currently 2:19 a.m. Your boy's hardworking, right? So I'm gonna start building the store right now. And tomorrow at exactly around 2 a.m. we're gonna check how much we have made and how much we're making, and we'll see if 24 hours even enough to make money out of dropshipping. So if you guys are interested to learn how much I'm gonna make within 24 hours, make sure you watch until the end, and let's jump into my computer and start building the store. So if you still don't know what's dropshipping and how you actually work it out, I'm gonna explain it in the most simple words. Dropshipping is basically selling products online by having a profit margin on top of them, and there's a step-by-step process that goes behind into a dropshipping store that makes it a winning store. The first thing you have to do is find a winning product, which is what we're gonna do right now. So after finding the winning product, we have to build our Shopify store, and after we have built our Shopify store, we have to start advertising. And once we start advertising, that's the time we're gonna find out if you're gonna get sales or not. So it's gonna be a tough challenge, but I'm ready for it, and I know I can pull this off, inshallah. So the first thing we're gonna do is, of course, we're gonna share the screen and we're gonna go to Minia, where I do my product research, and I'm gonna show you guys the tools that they have that helps me find the winning product. Alright boys, so I'm inside Minia right now. I'm just gonna click on login, and I'm gonna go inside the account, and I'm gonna show you guys the amazing features they have. If you guys don't already know, I've actually promoted Minia a lot of times, and it's actually something that I'll be using to find winning products. Now I'm inside Minia right now, and over here I'm just gonna start with the dashboard, guys. The dashboard is just gonna give you guys some of the winning products that you guys might see inside Minia. And over here, the first thing I'm gonna go to is Ad Spy, and I'm gonna just click on TikTok ads. Over here you guys can literally find the biggest winners, all right, the biggest winners right over here, just by doing a few search engine, a few changes inside here. And a lot of the winning products that you guys see blowing up on TikTok is actually somewhat over here. You guys can choose best of the month, weekly winners. You can even go to shops, boys, where you can actually search a shop and see if they're actually getting sales or not. So you can literally search a shop. For example, this one right here, boys, if I click on track, I can easily track the sales of this store. So see Shopify analysis, and it's gonna analyze this next step.shop, a random domain that I know, analysis, and it's gonna tell me how much they have made. So currently I don't think so they're doing any proper sales, which is fair enough. So they haven't done any sales in the past 7 days, fair enough. But it's so crazy how it even tells you the products and all of those stuff, and it's just so crazy how it analyzes the whole store for you, and it just brings out the whole data out of it. Now if we go to less, we can go to our winning product Friday October 23. So it gives you almost daily winning products, boys. It's so crazy. This tool is sort of underrated, boys. If you guys still don't use it or something, make sure you guys check out the link in the description, boys. You guys can even search by image. So you can even search by image, which is something new feature that they have. You can even completely get a custom product page from Minia, guys. It's so crazy how they have all of these things. But as you guys can see, identify performing ads, find winning products, find latest placements, find profitable influencers, create the ultimate database, keep an eye on competition. Now it has everything that you could possibly think of. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stay inside Minia for around maybe 20-30 minutes, try to find a few winning products. Once I find them, I'm gonna just let you guys know. Let's see how it goes.
20 minutes later.
Alright boys, so I just uploaded my team, I uploaded the product, and we're actually good to go to start advertisement. I'm gonna show you guys the two products that I found that really caught up my eyes. The first one is this 4-in-1 ultimate radiant skincare wand. It's actually going viral on TikTok, so I added this product first. The second product that I want to show you guys is this portable laser hair removal, which is actually really cheap, and I'm feeling like this would do good. Now if you guys look at this description, there isn't much information, and the reason is we do not want to give TikTok every information, because when we give them, they actually disapproves the advertisement. So what we want to do is we want to wait until TikTok views our website, completely says active, then we go ahead and get done with the rest of the steps. So I got my domain, I got everything completely set up, boys. The store is even about to be ready for purchase. So now I'm gonna go and start my TikTok ads. It's currently 3:14 a.m. as you guys can see, and I'm just gonna wait till the ads get started. The ads is gonna take a bit of time because the account is not active on TikTok ads. It needs at least like 5 to 6 hours to get activated. But once the account is active, boys, I'm gonna start my ads and I'm gonna see if we can land a few sales for tomorrow. So yeah, the store is done. The next part is to start advertisement, which we will do in the early morning, inshallah. Alright, boys, it's actually 8:03 p.m. right now, and quick update on the store, boys. I have a good news and a bad news. Let me tell you guys both of them. The bad news is our ad account still hasn't got activated yet. It's still under review. Usually it takes 24 hours. But the good news is I have a spare ad account, and I think we only have around 6 more hours into this challenge, so I do not want to waste any more time. I want to start my campaign as soon as possible. I made a few changes inside the store, which I'm going to show you guys as well. And let's jump into my computer and let's start digging. Okay, boys, the first thing I'm going to do is actually show off on you guys. Now I'm just playing. I just want to show you guys one of my ad accounts. As you guys can see, we have spent around 3,948 dirhams in the past 7 days. I'm gonna show you guys the lifetime, but I want you guys to take a guess in the comment section how much have I spent in total in just this ad account. So lifetime, 175,000 dirhams, boys. It's actually crazy. The CPA is crazy. Clicks are crazy, impressions are wild, 42 million impressions. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys one of the ad accounts and just to tell you guys how much experience I have in TikTok ads and all of that stuff, as you guys can see. And we have over 50 or above 100 campaigns in this amount that we have spent. And yeah, I just want to show you guys the ad account, and now I'm gonna go to my ad account and I'm gonna jump into making my first ever campaign. Let's do it. Alright, boys, I'm inside the spare ad account, so I just clicked on start a new campaign. I'm gonna start a new campaign called CBO, and I'm just gonna only put the budget as 100 per day, which is gonna be probably spent over within, I think, the 6 hours that we have, or 4 hours. So I'm gonna spend 100 and I'm gonna see how it turns out, boys. You guys want to know how I do my ads? This is exactly how I do it. So this is gonna be called test. Since we are testing the product, I'm just gonna, you know, select a random pixel, select placement. We turn off everything except TikTok. All right, so yeah, this is what our ad currently looks like. The products are for females, so I'm just gonna choose female product, female, and I'm also gonna choose above 18. The next thing I'm gonna do is choose iOS, and the reason why I always do this is because iOS people usually spends more than Android people, so I always go with iOS. Here I'm gonna choose conversion and I'm gonna click on next. Alright, boys, I'm right inside the ad account, and as soon as I'm done with the ads, I'm just gonna show you guys the store. So first thing first, of course, I'm gonna upload 3 videos with 3 different text and the URL, so let's do it. Alright, boys, so the ads are just getting uploaded. I got these from TikTok, by the way. You guys can get these videos easily too, and make sure you target females because the product is for females if you guys want to run it. But let's see how the products are gonna do. In the first one, I'm gonna put 50% off and free delivery. In the second one, get yours now. Let's see how they're gonna do, and yeah, click on submit. Alright, let's do it. The next thing I'm gonna do is, boys, I'm gonna run another campaign the same exact way for the second product, which is the laser hair removal. I'm gonna see how that product is gonna do. I really have high hopes in this and that product, and I think they're gonna do wonderful. So we'll see and we'll put it to the test. Let's see how they do, inshallah. Boys, I think we did this challenge successfully. We have an order in the store. But the good news is that's not the only order, boys. If I check the time right now, it's 2:29 a.m. Yes, a.m. So this is what the store looks like. If I show you guys on mobile, it looks way more better and the video quality is way more better. And I was only targeting females, so 100% halal. And yeah, it's a 4-in-1 usable radiant skincare wand. And we also added this quick checkout process. So if you guys don't already know, I did try this product here in Dubai, and we actually got 3 sales today, which is around 2 a.m. and in the past like 4 hours we have made around 800 dirhams, which is not bad, 700 actually. And if I show you guys the analytics for yesterday, we actually got 1 sale, 52 sessions. So I started my ads very late, but we still got good amount of session, at least 1 sale. But today, if I show you guys the sessions, it's 40 only, but 2 sales. So it seems like the product is a winning product, and a lot of you guys want to take advantage of it. So if you want to, make sure you do. And the reason why I say 0% conversion rate is because this store uses a separate checkout, which I told you guys about. We are using pay with cash on delivery, so this isn't going to be registered with Shopify payment gateway or Shopify analytics. And yeah, it's as simple as that, boys. And if you guys want to know exactly how I do it and exactly want to learn the whole steps, how I build the store and all of that stuff, make sure you guys check out the other videos on my YouTube channel. I've uploaded a ton of videos. And if you guys want to know about my mentorship, check out the first link in the description. It's about my Discord. You guys can join it and be a part of it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I will make sure to answer them, inshallah. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.